Steve, welcome to my workshop and to Very Cool Stuff. On this week's show I've been buying some more tools. I actually bought these around Christmas time. I've not found time to actually get them out. So what have I bought? I bought a set of chisels. You can never have enough chisels, can you? So this is a set of 6 chisels from Axminster, and it's their Rider series of chisels, and they range from 6mm through to 25. So there's a 6, a 10, 12, 16, 20 and a 25. These have been just sat in the drawer for 3 months or so, but it's time to hone them and get them ready, because these are going to be my workshop bench chisels. But you can see sort of grinding marks all the way down the line, and I think there definitely is a lacquer on these. You can see it at the end. There's grinding marks all the place, and looks like it's been sharpened with a linisher. But what we'll do, we'll let's get a piece of timber out and see how sharp they are out of the box. So this is the 25mm. And surprisingly, takes a decent shaving straight from the box. So I'll wipe all the travelling grease off these, and then I'll meet you at the sharpening stone. Because first thing we've got to do, really, is flatten that back. Just a few things. This one says it's 25mm, and it's slightly over. It's 25.2, 20.1, 16.2, 12.05, 10.08, and 6.21. So I'll just trying to scrape the lacquer off. This is just a little holder that holds Stanley knife blades. Just trying to take off the lacquer off the edge. So this is my sort of grinding station for plain blades and chisels. 3 cheap diamond stones here, 180, 240, 400. I've got a diamond plate here, which is 400 and 1000 reversible, and the obligatory sort of strop. So we're going to start off on the rougher grits, see if we can get it to something like flat on the back. Just got some cleaner. Start on the roughest one. As you can see, it's only catching around the edges, so it's severely dished. I've got my work cut out for this. Right guys, I'm going to be here for a while. I'll bring you back when I get close to completion. Getting better all the time. It's been ground up to 400 grit, you can see. It's just a slight dish there, but I mean, it's nothing that. So I'm just going to finish it off with a diamond stone at 1000 grit. Getting really good that. And of course, once you've done this for the first time, you never have to do it again. I will just finish it off on the strop, about 30 to 40 times. And I'll be all right now. Time to address the bevel. Just going to use the 400, then the 1000 grit and strop it. I'm going to cheat because I'm going to use the horny jig to get the 25 degrees that I'm looking for. I'm just going to polish that up, then I'm going to come back and put a micro bevel on it. For a micro bevel, the good thing about these Veritas jigs, just move that little wheel around and it puts a micro bevel on, probably about 5 degrees or so. It's just so that's the final article. It just took about an hour to do that. 5 more chisels to go out. It'll be almost a day. Anyway, we'll give it a test. Will do, mate. Nice looking chisel. Flattened, sharp. They're a European hornbeam handle. It says it's been lightly oiled, but it feels very lightly oiled. The ferrules are stainless steel, and there's a leather washer between the ferrule, the handle, and the blade. Nice looking chisels, but not a lot of money. Anyway, on with the other 5 chisels. Same process, rinse, repeat. I'll see you at the end. So I've been at it now for about 3.5 hours. I've got 4 chisels backs done, but you can still see there's still a little bit of a dishing area there, and there. So maybe that's how the ground, or is it my technique, because it all seems to be in the same place. Something consistent anyway, but so a good 20mm or so at the back, lovely and flat, so they should be good. Just 2 more to go out. By God, this is time consuming. Let them sit for a while. Just rubbing off the excess.
The biggest difference between the two, in my opinion, is just the overall sort of user experience. The saw stack is far more
so after about 6 hours of honing these flat on the back and giving a good sharpen, they're now ready for bench work. So these are a set of Axminster's riders, bench chisels, bevel edge. I think they're in chromium steel, I think they are. Should be using these in future. Please comment, subscribe, thanks for watching, and happy woodworking.